Hello friends, in this video we learn about the formation of image by concave mirror. First condition is when object on infinity, then it is our concave mirror. It is our center of curvature and this is principal axis P. Here is a focus. Now when the object on the infinity, here, then the first ray is go from the focus and then reflected. Now it is parallel to the principal axis. So here second rays come from the center of curvature and after reflection it is written on the same way. The image is formed here because the both of rays cross each other on the focus F. Now our image is formed on the focus. Now the position of image on focus, it is real image and small from object. Now second condition, when object is between the center of curvature and infinity, then this is our concave mirror M1 M2. It is center of curvature of spherical mirror. Now draw the principal axis. It is pole and here is our focus F. Now when the object between the infinity and center of curvature, then it is our object. First ray is go to parallel to principal axis and then reflected and comes from focus. Now second ray is go from center of curvature here and reflected and return to same way. They cross each other between the center of curvature and focus. Then our image form between the center of curvature and focus. Here A dash and B dash. Now position of image between the center of curvature and focus here, and image is real image and small from the object. Now next case is when object is on the center of curvature. Here is our concave mirror. It is our center of curvature C. Now draw the principal axis. Here is pole and here is F. Object is here on the center of curvature. Now first rays go to parallel to principal axis and reflected and come from focus. Second ray go from focus and reflected and come from parallel to the principal axis. Then they meet each other on the center of curvature. Now our image is formed here. Once again, see, this ray is go from here, then reflected and come from here. This ray is go from here and reflected and come from here. They meet each other on the center of curvature. Now our image is formed on center of curvature. Now our result is position of image on C. It is real image and same size of object. Now, next condition, when object is between the C and F, it is our concave mirror. It is center of curvature C. Now draw the principal axis. It is pole M1, M2. Here is focus. Now when the object is between the center of curvature and focus, here. Now first ray go to parallel to principal axis and reflected and come from focus. Here. Second rays go from focus and reflected and go to parallel of principal axis. Both of rays meet each other between the infinity and center of curvature. Now first ray go to parallel to principal axis and reflected and come from focus. Second ray go to from focus and reflected and return to parallel of principal axis. They meet each other on the this position, then the position of image between the center of curvature and infinity. Now our result is position of image between the center of curvature and infinity. It is real image and big from the object. Now the next condition is when object is on focus. Now it is our concave mirror. It is C, center of curvature. Now principal axis. Here is a pole. Here is F. The position of object is on focus. Then first rays go to parallel of principal axis and reflected and go from the focus. Here. Second rays go to from the center of curvature. Here. They meet each other on the infinity. Then the image formed on the infinity. Once again, when the object is on the focus, then first rays go to parallel of principal axis and reflected and come from focus. Next rays go from center of curvature and return to same way. Now they meet each other on the infinity, then image is formed on the infinity. Now the result, position of image on infinity, real image and very large from object. Now the next condition, when object is between the P and F, pole and focus, then it is our concave mirror and it is center of curvature. Then the principal axis, P. Here is focus. The position of object is between the focus and pole. Here the first ray is parallel to the principal axis and reflected and comes from the focus. Second ray go from center of curvature and return to same way. Here they seem to meet each other behind the mirror. Here now the image is formed opposite of object on the behind of mirror. Now the result is position of image behind the mirror opposite of the object. It is from virtual image and big from the object.